So this video is going to be using the exercise ball. This is a 59 centimeter exercise ball. This does not have sand in it. This is just a regular ball, so you can bounce, okay? I'm doing this video for those of you who have been concerned about stability and balance. Many of you who take my class, some of the are concerned that the ball is going to roll, and what's going to happen is you're going to fall. So what we're going to do is we're going to modify this workout for you. We're going to take it and we're going to place it next to a solid wall, okay? Next to a solid wall. So right there, you're already stabilized, okay? You still need to keep your posture up, no leaning on the ball. Keep your posture up, feet planted straight down, just in line with the hips or slightly wider. Toes are forward or slightly out, okay? Chest is up, no rounding the back. Try to keep it here, okay? As straight up as possible. Neck is neutral. All right, so even with being on the wall, I can still bounce, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some cardio up, okay? And we're gonna bounce. This is really good for those of you who are concerned with a higher heart rate. You can control the bounce because it's against the wall. You can still control it without it, but this gives you a lot more assurance and confidence because of the wall, okay? Once you get comfortable being here, you can actually come a little forward. You see, you're still in the wall, so you can grab the wall for support if you need, and you can sit right there, okay? Remember, this is where we're at. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a warm-up. As you can see, I'm bouncing gently. If you get vertigo, or you get dizzy, or you're concerned with your heart rate or anything, just don't bounce, okay? We're gonna go side to side. I'm usually doing a 10 repetition count for 2 sets or 2 rounds, okay? So I'm bouncing. Good, that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. We're going to take the arms overhead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're modifying this. We're in a sitting position. We normally do this standing up, so you can do this standing or sitting. I'm bouncing just to get some cardio into it, some heart rate. My feet is flat and secure in the ground. So this time we're going to bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You're going to feel that in your legs because that is like a little bit of a squat, okay? A squat. Good. What we're going to do is what I call ball jacks, okay? If you can't do the feet, you can do either the feet or you can do the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. So remember, you can do it at your pace. The bouncing bothers you, stop. Okay? We're going to do a squat to the front. Like I said, put the ball back there. Ball is against the wall. 1, 2, 3, I'm still sitting on the ball. 4, I'm just lifting. 5, my legs. 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. And I come back to center and I bounce. Okay? Good. Right here, okay? We're on the ball. That's all we're doing. We're gonna hold the ball, okay? Right here's the ball. We're gonna hold the ball. We're gonna do leg extensions, like the equipment in the gym. 1, 2, remember you have to balance. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so this is a watered down modification for those of you who are a little concerned. But if you want to make it more intense, all you have to do is let go of the ball, keep the arms here, and let's try it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. we're gonna go back to a light bounce, okay? Because I want you to keep your heart rate up to give you some stamina and some cardio, okay? Especially when we're just sitting too long in the house. This actually helps with sciatica, okay? It relieves the tension in the nerves in the lower back, okay? Just because it's a different type of position versus sitting on a chair. Okay, we're gonna do that one more time. This time, we're gonna add a bicep curl, okay? We're not using any weights, we're using body weight with the leg extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold. We're gonna rotate that ankle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's reverse it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's take the other leg up right there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Reverse it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How great is that? That is amazing, okay? So we're working compound moves, but just sitting on the ball is working your core, okay? It's working your core. Good. Okay. We're gonna bounce right there. Perfect. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the ball and we're gonna place it on the wall, okay? Right there. Our feet is a little further away from the wall. Our back, it's right at the small of our back, okay? Right here, we're gonna bring the arms forward, working the shoulders, and we're working the legs. The ball is gonna support your back. 1, push it back. 2, good. 3, don't go under the ball, stay right there. 4, you don't have to go deep. 5, good, keep the chest up. 6, perfect, breathe. 7, nice job, nice job. 8, 2 more. 9, 1 more, and 10, and up. And I'm gonna have you just bouncing the ball gently, okay? Gently, okay? This feels really, really good at the back because the ball kind of cushions the back right there, okay? Good. All right, we got one more set. If you can't do 2 sets, just do what you can, working your way up to 2 sets, or more if you want to, okay? Here we go. 1, working the front part of the shoulders. 2, good. 3, breathe. 4, we're in through the mouth, out through the nose, out through the mouth. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 1 more, and 10, and up. Very good, very good, okay? So what I want to work here is the hand and eye coordination, okay? This also keeps our heart rate up. So all we're doing is bouncing, dribbling, side to side, and I'm lifting up my heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, okay? Good. Right here, we're gonna pick up the ball and go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If the ball bothers your shoulders, just don't take it up as high as you would, okay? You don't have, the ball's too heavy, drop the ball, just go with the arms. Perfect. We're gonna take the ball here, and we're gonna take it down and bounce, okay? Bounce. Gently like this, find your rhythm, and bounce, okay? Right there, okay? Pick it up. Good, we're gonna take it back up again. 1, 2, 3, stretch out those arms. 4, good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more, and 10. Good, we're gonna take it right here and bounce. And up. Woo, okay? All right, we're right here. We're going to push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Okay, you're gonna feel that. We're working upper body, we're working legs, we work legs on the wall while we were sitting on the bar. Okay, we got one more set of that push. Okay, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Well, that was our short and sweet exercise ball workout today. Have any questions, please contact me. I'm Soul Fitness Hawaii. I am PK. You have questions about specific exercises you can or cannot do, give me a call. All right. Please subscribe, do what you can. Like I said, if something doesn't work for you, modify it. If you can't lift that ball, take it up with the arms, okay? Remember to put the ball next to the wall, right there, and sit up tall and sit up straight. All right, this is PK. Hope you enjoyed it. Have some questions, let me know. Have a good one.